This video, we're going to be talking about how to make your Facebook account private in 2026. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to really do is simply go ahead and open your Facebook application. And once you do that, you want to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon right over here on the bottom right, or you could also simply click on the top left triple lines icon and scroll all the way down, click on settings and privacy. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the privacy center right over here. Or you could also simply click on the setting option, which is going to be the first one. And once you're in settings, what you want to do is simply click on Privacy Checkup. And now this is where you want to click on who can see what you share, and then make sure this is on only you. So click on continue and then make sure this is going to be on only you. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.